smoothing long, straight port sections is essential for achieving efficient airflow. But these areas often present unique challenges, especially when the runs are deeper. Accessing the full length of the port can be difficult, making it harder to maintain consistency throughout the process. Ensuring even material removal along the entire surface is crucial, as any irregularities can disrupt the flow and reduce overall performance. By carefully addressing these challenges, optimal flow characteristics can be maintained, leading to better engine efficiency and reliability. When working on deep or straight port sections, selecting the right burr is essential for both precision and safety. Cylindrical and extended shank burrs are particularly well suited for these tasks, as their elongated design allows for better reach into confined spaces. Key features to consider in long-reach burrs include a sturdy shank to minimize vibration, a balanced cutting head for smooth operation, and high-quality materials to ensure durability. Additionally, choosing the correct diameter and flute pattern can help achieve the desired finish while reducing the risk of tool chatter or breakage. To achieve consistent contact and even material removal, it's important to guide the burr smoothly along the entire length of the port. Maintain a steady hand and apply gentle, uniform pressure to avoid creating uneven surfaces or gouges. Move the burr in controlled, overlapping passes, ensuring each section receives equal attention. Periodically check your progress to confirm that the material is being removed evenly. This careful approach helps maintain the desired port shape and finish throughout the process. Properly managing tool pressure and feed rate is essential to achieving smooth, even surfaces during machining, particularly over extended sections. Excessive pressure or an overly aggressive feed can lead to gouging, which damages both the workpiece and the tool. By carefully adjusting these parameters, operators can maintain consistent contact and avoid surface irregularities. Regular monitoring and fine-tuning help ensure the finished product meets quality standards while extending tool life. Burr deflection occurs when the burr or cutting tool bends away from its intended path during operation. This can be caused by excessive feed rates, worn tools, or improper alignment, leading to uneven cuts and reduced precision. The effects of burr deflection include compromised workpiece quality and increased tool wear. To minimize deflection, it's important to use sharp, well-maintained tools, operate at recommended speeds, and ensure proper support for both the tool and the material. Regular inspection and adjustment can help maintain straightness and achieve consistent results. When using an extended shank instrument, proper support techniques are essential to maintain control and minimize fatigue. Hand placement should be stable, with fingers positioned close to the working end to enhance precision and reduce leverage that can cause bending. Bracing strategies, such as resting a finger against a stable tooth surface, help absorb vibration and provide additional support. These methods not only improve comfort, but also protect both the clinician and the patient from unintended movement. Consistent application of these techniques ensures safer and more effective instrumentation. Achieving uniform results in long, straight port sections requires careful planning of cutting patterns and sequences. It is best to use consistent parallel cuts along the length of the section, ensuring each pass overlaps slightly with the previous one. Starting from one end and progressing methodically to the other helps maintain alignment and prevents irregularities. Using guides or templates can further enhance precision, resulting in smooth and even surfaces throughout the port. This approach minimizes variations and promotes a professional, uniform finish. To ensure even material removal and consistent surface quality along the entire port, several inspection methods are commonly used. Visual inspection under strong lighting helps identify irregularities or rough areas. Measuring tools, such as calipers or bore gauges, can check for uniform diameter and symmetry. Additionally, surface finish can be evaluated using profilometers or by comparing the texture to standardized reference samples. These methods together help confirm that the port meets the desired specifications and performance standards. When using extended shank burrs in deep port runs, it's important to avoid applying excessive pressure, as this can cause the burr to bend or break. Always ensure the burr is properly aligned and running at the recommended speed to prevent chatter and uneven cutting. A common mistake is failing to clear debris frequently, which can lead to overheating and reduced effectiveness. If you notice vibration or a drop in performance, stop and inspect the burr for wear or damage. Regular maintenance and careful technique will help you achieve precise results and extend the life of your tools. Achieving smooth, straight port sections requires careful attention to technique and preparation. Begin by using sharp, high-quality tools and maintaining a steady hand to minimize deflection. Consistent pressure and controlled movements help ensure uniform results throughout the process. Regularly checking alignment and making incremental adjustments can prevent unwanted deviations. By following these best practices, you can achieve precise, repeatable outcomes in your porting work.